How to add simple moving average indicator on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add indicator on the TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop devices. Once you open up your app, log in into your account with your own registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the icon for indicator. Simply click on it. Now go over search bar and search for SMA, which stands for Simple Moving Average. Once you search for it, now click on this first option, SMA. After you click on it, your Simple Moving Average indicator will be applied on the chart. And that's what you are looking, right? It's quite simple. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.